Let's talk about if springtails are okay for your worm bin. And here's the deal. It's a huge debate. And what springtails are, they're white little looking like critters. You can have a lot of them in your worm bin. And they're just like fleas. They're called springtails because on the back of the tail, if they sense danger, they're able to spring out of there. So some people say they're good to have in there, which some, other YouTubers have them in there, but I don't have them in there, and I'm okay with that. Now, the thing that attracts the springtails is really moist environments. They like moisture, but if your worm bins are a lot drier, you won't have to worry about the springtails in your worm bin. Springtails like to eat mold, so that's one benefit. But if you don't have a lot of food scraps in your worm bin, you won't have to worry about mold. So that can also help prevent having the springtails in your worm bin. Another thing is that they like citrus. So if you have a few, orange pills in there, springtails like to eat those. But if you put them in moderation, you won't have to worry about springtails because your worms will eat them, a lot sooner than the springtails will. But like I said, have you ever experienced springtails in your worm bin? Leave in the comments box below. But people have used diatomaceous earth, the food grade diatomaceous earth, to helping to not having the critters in their worm bin. But like I says, everyone's different. For me, I choose not to have them in there, but other people have no worries with them whatsoever. So now, another issue that people might have to deal with is red mites. So let's talk about red mites.